I was raised not to eat out of another man's hand. Like we can network together, we can hustle together, we can work together. But when you eating out of someone's hand, they control the meal. Think about it. They can give you what they want to give you, and if you're dependent on them to feed you, then they can even treat you bad if they want to. Like, oh, you need this meal, so I can dangle this piece of meat in front of your face, and you're gonna do what I want you to do. Go getters ain't set up like that. Hustlers ain't like that. We don't want handouts. Now you gonna throw me something, I'll take it. But I'm not getting no handouts because I'm gonna go make my own meal. Meanwhile, while you trying to hold this little piece of meat in front of my face, I done went and found me a couple meals. I don't believe in that. That's why I believe in being independent, because independent has a great source of freedom inside of it. Freedom to um, not be arrogant, but to be proud to be able to do what you do. You know, you're not kissing nobody's ass. You're not bending over backwards. You're doing what you do well, and it's feeding you. And you know how to network in more ways than one. That's a big asset out here, because some people, some companies, some contractors will literally rather have you eating out of their hands than working with you so that way both of y'all can make a bag. They just looking at it one way. So you have to realize this when you're dealing with certain companies, certain people, because they only want to benefit. So you got to keep in your mind, okay, I'm here to do this so I can get to this level so I can get over here. So don't walk into all situations like this is it. I got to build my home. I got to build my life around this job, around this person. Don't do that. They'll change up on you. Hold on.